I looked at, he was looking right to us. Dude, that was 20 yards. Alright guys, it is opening morning in Maryland. I was just in Tennessee hunting yesterday, and I'm fired up to be here. My dad and I are going after this 4-pack of toms. They've been on our camera on the reveal of the ton, so we got in here a little bit early so we can put our big old strutter out in the field here. They just went by the camera late last night, so I assume they're roosted close. Thanks for shutting in. They didn't want anything to do with the decoys. They were about 50 yards, so we're gonna get a fan and go try to basically scare the crap out of them, make them come in. Stay right on that buck bed, and like we're gonna be able to see behind that rope. Dad, last one. Kill him. Kill him. I blast him, Dad. You gotta shoot. I couldn't shoot Axel. I was in a bad spot. I couldn't get around. You guys tell me you gotta get around to it. And were they all the big ones? Yeah. Wow. 10 yards.
I didn't trust going around you like that, man.
Dad, you got to. You got to shoot right over my shoulder. That's how you reap them. That's why I was like, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh. I didn't know we were that on top of him.
Yeah, we were 10 yards from him. 5 yards. He was right there.
He came at you too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those birds are chalk for a week now. Yeah, you gotta be right up on me, Dad. That's why I say you gotta shoot. You gotta be ready to shoot. Did you not see them?
I couldn't see them until they just popped their head up.
Oh, I know. You gotta
and
be.
I couldn't. I mean, my
like,
safety. I didn't. I mean, I was right beside you.
I know. You gotta. If you're beside me, it's fine.
Oh well.
Oh, it sucks.
So we had that pack of 4 toms. They're talking to us all morning. We saw them all pitched down, and then we called in a hen up to our decoys, but the toms wouldn't come any. They didn't want anything to do with it. Then we saw them walk up this edge here, grabbed a decoy. Axel took the lead, tried reaping them. Got up real close to him, about 5 yards, and Ron wasn't ready to shoot, and we just couldn't capitalize. They were there. We saw them in the flesh, like 5 yards. It was basically what happened to Bailey last year in Kansas.
Lean up a little bit, sit up a little bit. 20 yards, 15 yards. Glass, sit up, sit up, sit up. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. I couldn't get a good shot.
So, it is what it is.
Well, day 1 in the books. It's like 9 or 10. We're just gonna call it, and we didn't hear anything over at this property other than a little hen putting around. So we're gonna try to get back at her on Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. So we got time to kill, just if we can do it. Well, as you could tell, I was definitely frustrated. I felt real bad. I was definitely pretty pissed, and I apologized to my dad after. I was mad at him. Turkeys were pissing me off in Tennessee, and came back to Maryland pretty much just expecting to kill. And that's why it's called hunting, not killing. So when they didn't want to cooperate and I chose to chase after them, I knew it would chalk the spot for a week or two, which did. But part of it, we learned from it. My dad had never done something like that before, so he learned from it. His gloves were off. He had some thick gloves on, and there's just a couple factors that we both could have done different. I could have told him different too. But hey, you live and you learn. Speaking of Tennessee, that footage is coming in here soon. My buddies back in Tennessee, James and Levi, had to dump the footage from their camera. They didn't have a reader for it. So once that gets here, I'll post that episode. I killed something in Tennessee, but you just have to wait and see. But yeah, we should have like 4 or 5 turkeys episodes coming out this year. So thanks for checking out the first one, and keep checking back weekly for these ones. Turkey season is starting to become one of my favorite seasons of the year, but I don't think it's ever gonna beat deer. So we're out here basically getting it.